We do acknowledge that the medical marijuana program is the strictest in the nation, but nonetheless, the Christie administration has made it stricter and more burdensome for both patients to get involved with the program, but also physicians as well. We'd like to go back to the original intent of the legislation. There are patients that have MS or are suffering from AIDS or cancer in their last stages of life. We really need to alleviate their pain and suffering, and medical marijuana has shown great promise in alleviating those ailments. When we make it more burdensome as a state for them to come into the alternative treatment centers, we're not really doing the patients any good.
The idea behind this package of bills is to make the medical marijuana laws work better for our citizens and for the people that desperately need these substances. The first is a bill that allows returning veterans, mostly, who suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, to get medical marijuana as part of the treatment package. It seems to help a lot, and we have a record number of suicides in this population. We need to do anything possible to mitigate that. The second is a bill that allows portability of the product. If a dispensary has more than enough product and another doesn't, they're allowed to move that across to the other dispensary. Just makes it easier for the product to be available for the citizens of New Jersey. The third cleans up a lot of the regulations and allows the medical marijuana to be available to the patients that need it here in the state.
Right now we have major problems with some of our facilities that we're supposed to have dispensaries that dispense the marijuana, but out of the 6 we only have 3 that's functioning. 2 don't have the marijuana for the patients, and we have 1 that has all the marijuana and they can't get it to the other pieces. So we want to make it so wherever you are, if your dispensary doesn't have it, and we have 1 with a surplus, that one will be able to send it to the other places, so it will make it easier for the patients that needed to get it.
This is not about potheads sitting in a room waiting to get their fix. This is about people who are desperately ill and need something to make them feel better, allow them to eat, allow them to rest. Just makes it easier for the patient to survive.